Ladies and gentlemen, it's Montez from itsmontez.com. Of course, Two Locks Productions, Lockette Studio, and I'm sitting here with the man with the master plan inside the house right now. Rich Lockette, thank you so much for being on.
Hey Montez, it's my pleasure.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about Two Locks Production and Two Locks Photography for the ladies and gentlemen. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I know you all seen it once before at the last film that I did for you in Hardin County.
Yeah, Miracles Live.
Yeah, Miracles Live, kind of on stage, right?
Right.
Tell us a little bit since then how it's all been going and how you've been.
You know what, Montez? This has been a great year, man. We're having a great time, man. We're partnering up with Lockette Studios. Two Locks Productions is a banner for photographs by Two Locks, DJ Richie Rich, notaries, whatever. We just try to do it all. So we started this project about 3 years ago. We started to recognize that there was very limited social interaction in the community. So I was driving through my subdivision. I didn't know anybody. I didn't know who I was around and who was around me, and it just seemed like a big waste. So I started to get these ideas of coming up and throwing some things, some socials, some parties. So I began to do the DJing and taking the pictures, and then that one thing blew to another. I ran into Antonio. We started doing weddings. We started doing major events, and we're just working our way on up the ladder, trying to be what everybody needs in Hardin.